Color density stable across sheets. Each denomination carries its own identity in color. Registration alignment within tolerance. Layer by layer, complexity builds protection. Intaglio depth approved.
Touch is another layer of security.
Drying cycle complete for 100 rupees batch.
Stability prepares the notes for advanced protection.
Moving 100 to 2000 row sheets to security line. Printing is only the beginning of protection. Microtext plate aligned for 500 rupees and 2000 rupees. Begin test imprint.
Microclarity is sharp. No bleed.
UV markers synced for 200 rupee batch.
OVI alignment steady across sheets.
Initialize sequential run. Serial sequence stable. No skips. All denominations verified. Foil bonding secure.
Rupee 100 and Rupee 200 clear. Move to cutting.
Sending sheets to denomination cutting line.
Begin multi-denomination audit.
Start with 500 rupee batch.
Perfection is measured before circulation. Serial continuity confirmed. Narrator, machines verify what eyes might miss.
UV markers strong across 200 rupees and 100 rupees. Invisible protections shine under scrutiny.
Medic response. Stable. Security is tested, layer by layer. Intaglio depth within tolerance. Touch confirms the strength of trust.
Fiber resilience holding strong. Durability protects currency in daily life.
No warping detected.
Even climate cannot compromise quality.
Reject count minimal.
Only the flawless continue forward.
QC clearance complete.
Quality approval marks the final stage of validation.
Vault secured.
From production to protected storage.
Inventory logged. Multi-denomination batch confirmed. Prepare allocation schedule.
In silence and steel, currency awaits its journey.
500 rupee demand higher in Western region.
Increase 200 rupee allocation for rural banks.
Distribution follows national demand.
Authorization sealed.
Every movement requires written authority. 100 rupee and 500 rupee pallets secured. Proceed to armored loading bay. Protection surrounds every denomination.
Weight matches declared count. Verification never stops.
Approaching armored bay. Narration. The journey beyond the factory begins here. Cargo bay secure.
Load 200 and 2000 first. Heavy steel carries national trust.
Cargo locked and sealed. Every bundle is sealed for transit.
Seal verified. Ready for dispatch.
Accountability travels with the load.
Dispatch successful. From factory floors to the nation's hands.
Confirm dispatch seal number.
Seal number matches authorization.
The journey continues under strict supervision.
Seal intact. Authorization confirmed.
Move 100 and 200 to intake scanner. The Reserve Bank receives the nation's supply.
Serial continuity matches dispatch file.
Verification safeguards the banking chain.
500 rupee stock updated. Stored securely before distribution outward.
Prepare 200 rupee batch for rural branch.
Distribution adapts to local demand.
Final count accurate.
Accuracy remains absolute.
Seal cartons tight. From central vaults to local branches.
Dispatching 100 and 500 to city branches. Currency travels closer to the public.
Route clear. The final stretch before reaching society.
Confirm branch allocation.
100, 200, 500, 2000 rupees verified.
Currency now enters everyday banking.
Serial batch matches Reserve Bank file.
Accuracy continues at the branch level.
500 rupees and 200 rupees confirmed. Verification prepares the notes for circulation.
Stock ready for ATM refill.
Stored briefly before reaching the public.
Load 100 rupees in cassette A, 500 rupees in cassette B. Organized for automated dispensing.
ATM loaded and secured. The machine is ready to serve.
Dispense test successful.
Final checks ensure smooth access.
Withdrawal complete.
From factory precision to human hands.
Thank you.
Narration. Currency powers everyday commerce.
Here's your change.
Circulation completes the journey of trust.
Next, please. These notes seem a bit old, sir.
I know. Hope they are still acceptable.
Gampa parnirkege. Desik alpesaket usdatata esteane. Chinsor kase kapati untimis ngi bentege. American
Here's your receipt.
From cities to villages, currency powers movement.
Deposits sealed for clearing. Every transaction returns to the banking chain.
Ready for redistribution cycle.
The system sustains continuous flow.
Final batch ready for dispatch.
Precision ends where distribution begins.
Clear path ahead.
Stored securely before the next journey.
Cargo secured.
Every bundle moves under strict control.
Dispatch approved.
Documentation seals accountability.
And this is how modern factories produce Indian rupee currency from start to finish.
A journey of precision, protection, and national trust.
From cotton fiber to national circulation.